This is Let Me Know by the Isley brothers. Trying to come in like a radio show host. I don't know if it worked or not, but maybe so. So, pretty dope song, nice little flow. It's in the key of E. So yeah. I wanted to come to that part so that I could mute everything else. So while I had this drum track going, I'm just going to talk about some of the chords, and then we'll get into the actual arrangement. Okay. The key of E. Here's E major 7th, A major 7th, B11. All right, so as far as like the 11 chord, remember, like here's B. Remember the 11 chord it uses a major triad. So it's like you're playing A major, but you're gonna move that root A and keep the triad the same. So instead of this, it's B11. If you use that same shape over the A, that's how that sounds. So anyway, E major 7th, A major 7th, B11. That's the chorus. Like that. All right. Now, so that's that part. The verse starts off with the A major 7th, F sharp minor 7th, A flat minor 7th. Then it goes to C sharp 11. That way you're gonna actually bar on the 4th fret, the A string, D string, G string, B string, and you're gonna hammer on to play your C sharp dominant 7th. So the way it all sounds together is like this. Okay, so that's how that sounds. Then you go back to F sharp, B11, C sharp, so that C sharp, you're gonna go between the C sharp 11 to the C sharp minor 7th. Okay, so all together it sounds like this. Okay, that's what it is. So yeah, I think I got one of the chords wrong, but those are the chords that are being used. So I'm going to play the chord progression and see if there are any corrections needed on my part. Okay. And also the chorus, it's either right before the verse or the chorus. It hangs on that F sharp minor 7. So just know these are the chords that are being used. Oh, excuse me. I should not be yawning on tape while it's recording. Interesting. Okay. F sharp, A major 7th, F sharp, minor 7th, A flat, minor 7th, F sharp, B11, C sharp, A major 7th, F sharp, A flat, minor 7th, C sharp, C7, B11, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A flat, A flat, A flat, B11, E major 7th, A major 7th, B11. I'm winging it. I think just go to the bridge. Oh, C sharp. A, F sharp, B11, A, F sharp, back to the chorus. No, run that back. Yeah. So go back to F sharp. F sharp, at your best, you honor. C sharp, You're a positive motivate, force within my line. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Back to E. Let me know. That's pretty much how you play it. So I'll go over the other stuff, like the little ad libs. That's really like electric guitar, so that's what that is. But that's like the acoustic guitar part that I was actually showing. The electric guitar is the and the wee, like the bend, woo, that part. That's electric guitar. Okay, so what I just showed are like the main chords. So just kind of keep that in mind. And these chords are like the main meat of the song, and this part right here. That part. So you take that out. C sharp. B11. Played that part wrong. B11. Let me know. B11, C sharp, C sharp again. At your best, F sharp. Motivating force within my line. Should you ever feel the need? Back to B11. Let me know. going to the bridge part right now. Oh, this part right here. A major 7. B11. A. All right, y'all. I think I got caught up because it's kind of late. So, yeah. Hope that was somewhat helpful for anyone who maybe you want to know how to play it. And, you know, that was helpful and cool. I hope you subscribe if you would like. And, like, share, comment. Let me know. If it's helpful. Those of you who do comment, I really do appreciate you, who show engagement and stuff like that. I really do appreciate it. And let me see if there's anything else I want to say. If you need any extra instruction, hit the link, pay, and I can help you. I think I got direct messaging too. YouTube started doing the direct messaging. So if you need help that way, see if you can direct message me. There should be like a little word bubble up there somewhere, and you can like direct message me as well. Otherwise, just drop a comment, something like that. If you're not in my community, it's definitely a first come first serve type of thing. So I'll get to you, but community people, those are first priority. Okay, and some of y'all are okay with that. So, but that's pretty much all I have, and I'm gonna act like I'm fading it out. That ain't no real fade. But yeah, thank y'all for listening. Thank you for watching. Peace.